rhinos on protected wildlife reserves like this one. There's only about 5,500 to the left. Looking out on the bank here, you might glimpse just as we move by. You guys can grow up to about 16 feet in total length, though some have been known to stretch upwards of 20 feet. And just at these bushes, I do apologize for that. They do dip down a couple times though. You might just barely glimpse those clumps of fur, those African wild. Is someone singing a song for us back there? That's adorable. As well as we got some sable antelopes out there on our left side, those long curved horns. Sable. Got some more Hartman's Mountain zebras a little further ahead, as well as these Ankole cattle up on our left side, also known as Watusi cattle. So Ankole or Watusi, either of those names will work for the animals. And while their horns might look really... So 3 of them out there on the savanna to our left. The big one is kind of the patriarch of the group of the 3 of them. Probably about 16 months old, something like that. Somewhere around that, 15, 16, 17 months old. A little over a year, not quite a year and a half. Let's go with that. That is his mama with him there. We can tell they're white, quite a few of them. So for any of my friends here who've ever ridden the rock and roller coaster at Hollywood Studios, that's the launch speed. You go from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So those down. Take some deep breaths off, ostriches. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. So there's those white rhinos once again out there on our right side. Okay, she's gonna cross in our path.
In the back is our destination. Look at it. Nicely done. Round of applause. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes, this is Quetty. Like I said, the largest owl species in Africa, one of the largest in the world, and he's going to take some big flights across the theater. I'm going to cover my laces. No, because Busy will get...
Can you give everyone a nice hello? Can you say hello? Hello! He's learned to take this mimicry thing to a whole new level. What do you think? You want to show off? Yeah. Yeah! A kiss? Yeah, good stuff, that kiss. Very nice. And that was Groucho. Big bird, but also a big role in the environment. These birds are scavengers. They eat those animals that have died in the African savanna. That's a big job. So they actually have to work with the vultures, hyenas, even lions to help clean up the mess, stop the spread of disease, and returns nitrogen to the soil. Yeah, we'll call them nature's recyclers because they're so important.
Yeah. He's looking. Yeah, come on, Fraser.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
No.
He said psych. I don't want to. Please don't take it. I don't think I need to.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Oh, see, look, we're kind of that way. See, it wasn't too long ago, even just 50 years. bald eagles' numbers were dropping rapidly, and it was feared future generations would never be able to see these beautiful birds or hear that beautiful call out in the wild ever again. But then something amazing happened. People, like all of us here, we took notice, and we took action, and we cleaned up waterways where bald eagles were fishing, and stopped using a chemical pesticide called DDT, which played a huge role in this bird and many other animals' declines. Those of us with feathers would like to leave you all with one final wish.
Hearts take flight, and your spirits soar forever.